Let's say that is one of the hottest topic of this year, physical AI, and we may have seen, you may have seen like some robotic startups, some robotics, like humanoid robots or robotic arm over the entire expo area. This is because our corporate partners are really deep down into like this topic. They are building very cool technology that I invite you to look at. And let's say that physical AI is just like a topic we get to through a process. I remember many years ago, we were just maybe starting with AI, try to find some possible use cases for like deploying that in the shop floor, in the manufacturing environment. And we were like seeing the AI used as a copilot, helping running factories, coordinating between different manufacturing lines and computers within the shop floor. But actually, AI evolved today, and we still had robots back in the 5 years ago in the manufacturing lines, of course, but they were like caged. So like they couldn't really sense the environment, they couldn't really understand the surrounding. So physical AI is actually enabling like robots to see, to understand, to learn, and to have all that knowledge that we can use to make them like performing the most dexterous task that we need on the shop floor.